Look at this trash. So we've had this set for about 7 years, and over the years we've lost quite a bit of them. And we've been looking for a new set. Haven't really found anything that matches like the look and feel of these knives, but that changes today. Ta-da! Ooh. I don't know how to say it. Ooh.
OU?
OU?
I don't know.
So let's see what's in the box.
Cardboard. And more cardboard. Oh my god. And then we've got a big block. Like, ooh, the block out. Oh nice, they sent us the one in black. I love it. Phew. Wow, that's nice. It's got that like nice soft sheen to it. It's not super shiny. Oh, yo, we get 2 pairs of scissors? Can you hear that?
Uh-huh.
And they're 2 different kinds of scissors too. And all of the knives. They come with a little tip guard. It's so little. The handle's longer than the blade. Here's a chunky boy. Ooh, bread knife. Oh, this one comes with 2 tips. This is my most used knife.
So what I want to do real quick is I just want to compare to see the difference between these two, because they're relatively around the same price point. They both have very, very similar design. We're going to put them head to head, cutting up some fresh veggies to see how they feel, how they fare against each other, and which one feels better when cutting.
So we're starting with the knives that I've been using forever. This is my favorite paring knife, and we just noticed the new set does not come with a paring knife. We'll see how it does. So I always just cut off the ends first, because those are trash. Next is gonna be this one. And it already, the handle is smaller, so it feels nicer in your hand. Ta-da! It's really sharp compared to my paring knife. Like, that's already cutting, and I'm barely applying any pressure. Next, I'm using the original little knife and just cutting the carrots in half. Whoa, lost one. Cuts nicer, so they're not as jumpy when I actually cut through, because I don't need to apply as much pressure. Lost another one. I think you can see they're not bouncing all over the place. And it cut through too just fine, whereas the other knife struggled. Now we're gonna cut some potatoes with the big boy. This knife was recently sharpened because I use it for everything. We're moving on to this one. It is smaller in size, just slightly. Oh, that's clean. It does still get stuck. Like that.
Now, we do understand that this being a brand new knife, it is sharpened, and it's probably going to be sharper than the other knives. Regardless of how much we sharpen it, it's, you know, factory sharpening is always going to be good. But other than that, how does it feel in your hand?
It's nice. Like, the handle seems to fit better because it's not as like heavy. It doesn't have the bulk grip like this one does with the tail. Somehow the flat just feels nicer in hand.
How about weight?
It's lighter, for sure. It's still really balanced, but it's definitely lighter. Okay, so I do really like these knives. They are the one-piece full metal style that we're used to because I don't like having separate handles from the blade. They just break. And these are built really nice. I really like the shape and design. It actually fits in the palm of your hand really well. And I've got little hands. I also really love the black oxidation color on these, which is supposed to help with anti-rusting. And I mean, these are stainless steel, so they don't really have a problem with rust, but if you look right here, we've got this rust spot that isn't going away. So we'll see how well that coating does to protect them from rust. All around, I really like these knives. They feel great, they fit nicely, and they fit into the aesthetic of my kitchen.
They do look really nice. They look much more modern than what we already had, so I'm really happy about that. Thank you, OOU, for sending it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say your name. OOU.
OOU?
OOU?
I think it's OOU.
Oh well. Anyway, thank you so much for sending us the knives. We really appreciate it. We're gonna keep using them, and they look really nice. If you guys want to check it out, I have a link in the description below that you can get your own.
Peace.
Peace.